Yeah, and I saw one win would be the 20% increase in the new user accounts that came after launch. What would you attribute that to? Where are they? Where are you winning those new accounts? How are you convincing now post launch, these folks to sign up and get converted?
Yep. And I think it's really two of those things I just mentioned. One is we made it so much easier to get through the account creation process.
Yeah.
Under the covers, you're actually creating an Epic MyChart account. That's the method of authentication that we're using. And it used to be that you had to fill out a long form with all of your personal information, and then you'd go through those identity verification questions you've probably experienced before. What's your childhood street that you grew up on? Did you open a loan last year with this thing?
Oh, right.
Those things that I don't even remember. I don't remember what, month
Your
or
first car
year.
was.
Right. So we switched to a model that uses your cell phone, and you just type in your phone number and date of birth, and you'll get a little ping on your phone, and you click it, and if that works, it fills in all the information for you. It does the identity verification in the background, and all you do is click through and you've got an account. So one, we made it a lot easier to create an account. And then two is that design technique I mentioned, where we are throughout the site, you'll see these obvious invitations to create an account to get a better experience. If you try to save an article by favoriting, you'll get a quick prompt, hey, create an account. So we've both made it easier and then made it more obvious, and we're trying to demonstrate throughout the site the value and benefit of logging in. And as you saw, yeah, our numbers jumped dramatically, which was really exciting.